Sino di principal to dito?
Ano, barbaro na lang.
Mr. and Mrs. Albert P. Magno, with honors. Malano Janela Marie B., the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Janitor M. Malano. Marquez Ladywin Cyril R., the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Leonor A. Marquez. Marquez Rosaline May G., the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Arnold S. Marquez. Matamu Lycomay C., the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Maribel U. Caliado.
There's troubles I'm facing, there are chances I'm taking. Sometimes life knocks me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I'm here not going, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. I'm always gonna wanna make it move, always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you gotta have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get here, ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's a life. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you gotta have to lose. Ain't about about what's waiting on the other side. It's a night. Keep on moving, keep climbing, keep your faith, baby. It's all about a cry. Keep your faith, keep your faith. Whoa. We are wandering for a year. We'll spread life. We need our portals hollow, through wisdom we have followed. The climb our loyal hearts can never fail. True changeless thunder would use our soul here. Sing out a banner high, the blue and white. Lift our voices to the sky, we raging mind. These noble sons and daughters of will never falter. The God will keep us faithful, strong and pure. God grant us forth to make our triumph sure. Sing out thy banner high, the blue and white. Lift our voices to the sky, we raging mind.
We the completers pledge our loyalty to our parents, mentors, and to our alma mater, the Muñoz National High School. We pledge to carry on quality education, good spiritual and moral life, and relevant cultural values. We pledge to sustain economic stability, participate and utilize competitive work skills, and manifest strong sense of national identity. We pledge to become self-reliant, self-disciplined, and self-productive completers, and citizens of the Republic of the Philippines, worthy to contribute in nation building. So help us God.
Music is the expression of the soul. Let us now hear the completers sing their heart as they render their moving up song and the alma mater song.
There's a voice inside my head saying, you'll never reach there. Every step I'm taking, every move I'm making,
share.
I gotta be trying, gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about.
Dear students, as you embark on your new journey, may you look back to this stage of your life with fondness and pride. Ladies and gentlemen, this includes our moving up ceremony. This has been Ira Rose O. Gallo and Darlene Joy Rosal, your masters of ceremony.
So sa ating mga completers, please be seated for some final announcement. So tuloy lang na mag-precisional parts lang kayo, colors. So maraming salamat po, mga minamahal ng mga magulang. Congratulations po sa inyo lahat.